In this video, we're going to cover how to create type styles based on a 4-point grid. Okay, so we're going to start creating our type styles along the 4-point grid system. Others use the 8-point grid system. I like using 4 points because there's more flexibility. So basically, numbers divisible by 4, that's how we're going to assign the different styles for our headings. Let's just create heading, it doesn't matter the exact size, and let's duplicate that and create a bunch of duplicates. So the first heading, obviously we're not going to do 4 or 8 pixels, we're going to go to 12. So we're going to do 12 and then we're going to do 16 for the line height. So when you do that, that's going to align perfectly on a 8-point grid system. So we have the heading here and we can type something out, and as you see, when it wraps, it will align perfectly. So that will be true of 12 with 16 line height. It will also be true of something like 20 with 24. All right, let's go back to our heading. So we have 12 on 16. Now we're going to continue this process to create all of these. So 16 with 20, and I'll just repeat that going up in size. Okay, I'm going to stop at 84 for our largest heading, but I want to just extend that out in case we have like a big display that we want, and I'm going to jump it all the way up to 60, and we're going to do 60 on 64. That looks good. And then I'm going to get rid of a few of these in between. I don't think we need all of these. That looks good. I have my heading classes. And so now what we're going to do is we are going to start naming them. So this is going to be H1, 2, 3. We're just going to stick to the 3. And then this is going to be paragraph. And then this is going to be our secondary paragraph. This is going to be our H1. This is going to be our H1 display. So I will start off with H1. So to create the name, you go to the style area, click the 4 dots, and then click add a style. So this is going to be H1, and we're going to say /regular. Okay, and by giving it the slash, once we create a bold version of this, so we're going to undo that. We're going to give this bold. So we have the regular, as you see here, and then we have the bold. So I'm going to just reassign this to regular, and now we're going to create the bold. So again, we go to text styles, we say create, and we say H1/bold and create the style. So now you see under H1, we have both of these options of bold and regular. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that for the other text styles that we have here. I'm going to assign the names. Okay, so now we have all of our heading classes, as you can see displayed here. So now if I type something out, this is a headline. Okay, so I have this. I'm going to detach that so I can just cycle through the different text styles. So if I want it to be H1, that looks great. If I want it to be H1 bold, I can make this paragraph small bold, paragraph regular. So this really speeds up the design process when you have access to these different type of text styles.